Hello everyone. Today I am going to explain you about more Indian cities in class 3 chapter 10 in social science. Then student, earlier we have already discussed about the metropolitan cities. Is called major modern cities. Then we have also talked about Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata, Chennai. Fine. So then today I will discuss about some more cities like Jaipur, Ahmedabad, Guwahati and some more cities. So then let's discuss in details. Our first topic is Bengaluru. Bengaluru, as you know, also about Bengaluru, because Bengaluru is the capital of Karnataka and it is located in the southern part of India. कहाँ स्थित है ये? Southern part में, means south में, right? The people in Bengaluru mostly speak Kannada and English. The language of the people of in Bengaluru, that is Kannada and English. And children, I tell you that Bengaluru was latest name of Bangalore. जो बैंगलोर हमारा पुराना नाम था, ओल्डेस्ट नेम, वो आज हमारा किस में चेंज हो गया है? बंगलुरु में. Fine. Next, firstly, we will discuss about some important tourist attractions of Bengaluru. Like first, Lal Bagh. It is called Botanical Garden also. That Lal Bagh is the specialty of different type of flowers. As you can see in the picture, beautiful garden of Bengaluru. Fine. Next, we can see here so many type of beautiful trees, beautiful arts and so many category of the plants. Fine. Next, Snow City. Snow City is located in Bengaluru and it is one of the best part in India. स्नो सिटी जो हम केवल अटलांटिक ओशियन या फिर अंटार्कटिका के पास ही देख सकते हैं, ऐसा ही एक स्नो सिटी हमारा बेंगलोर में भी सिचुएटेड है, जिस पर बहुत सारी राइडिंग और जो टूरिस्ट हैं वो एवरी ईयर 1000 ऑफ पीपल एज अ टूरिस्ट राइडिंग के लिए आते हैं. नेक्स्ट, विधान सुधा. विधान सुधा इज one of the most important part of Bengaluru because so many decision is taken about the work is taken by the Vidhan Sudha. Next, Bangalore Palace. Bangalore Palace is a special palace in Bangalore. ये किस में है? ये हमारे ब्रिटिश ने ही सबसे पहले बेंगलोर पैलेस बनवाया था, राइट. नेक्स्ट इज वंडरेला. वंडरेला इज ऑल्सो अ ब्यूटिफुल पार्ट ऑफ द साउथ एंड नॉट ओनली द साउथ पीपल बट ऑल्सो ऑल पीपल ऑफ इंडिया कैन visit here because it is an interesting moment about the children and the young people. Wonderlela is one of the best way to adventures and enjoyments. Now next is metropolitan city. You know, children, it is the most important part of technology because so many IT companies are here. That's why Bangalore is known as the Silicon Valley of India. Fine. MG Road. MG Road is a great and beautiful market that is very special shops, and every day it is celebrated as a festival. It is decorated with great decoration. Now come on the dishes of Karnataka. Karnataka means that is a state of Karnataka, and Bengaluru is the capital of Karnataka. That dosa, idli, rice, rasam, fare is the main recipe of Bengaluru. That's why we can say many industries like aircrafts, computers, electronic goods, machines, textiles, and watches have flourished in the city. Okay, then some more tourist places attraction you can say of Bengaluru are Government Museum, Tipu Sultan's Summer Palace means Bangalore Fort, Lal Bagh Vidhan Sabha, Chickpet, Kampidwada, Circle are some important tourist attraction of the Bengaluru. Rock Garden, it is very famous place. You can see a different variety of birds, animals, things, creatures made by different type of rocks. Then stadium. Now talk about stadium. It here a large number of people and players can visit in the stadium and play the cricket of here. Then so many attractions like Alanta Mall, Government Museum and Art Gallery. Fine. Pinzol Garden, Chadbils Zoo, that is the main Sukhna Lakes, that also is the main category of Chennai because Chandigarh now Chatbir Zoo is famous zoo of Chandigarh. Like we can see here a different category of the birds, animals and a large variety of the aquatic animals on here. Now Sukhna Lake is one of the best lake in Chandigarh. Now the sunset in the evening is amazing day in the daylight. Now Chandigarh is located in northern India. Okay, northern India में ये located है. It is a union territory that it is the capital of both Haryana and Punjab. चंडीगढ़ की जो खास स्पेशलिटी है दैट इज़ वो दो स्टेट की कैपिटल है पंजाब एंड हरियाणा. चंडीगढ़ वॉज फर्स्ट प्लान सिटी ऑफ इंडिया. सबसे पहले फर्स्ट जो प्लान की गई थी सिटी ऑफ इंडिया दैट वॉज चंडीगढ़, बट इट इज़ नोन एज नाउ सिटी ब्यूटीफुल. ओके, बिकॉज of only the rock garden. It is an amazing rock garden in Chandigarh. Chandigarh is one of the famous for statue made up of waste material like rocks, stones, particles. It is has largest rose garden in Asia. Okay, now come on the Guwahati. Guwahati is located northeast India in Assam, along the bank of the river Brahmaputra. The city is also known as the gateway of India, नॉर्थ ईस्ट इंडिया. जो गुवाहाटी है वो कौन से रिवर पर हमारा सिचुएटेड है? दैट इज़ ब्रह्मपुत्र. दैट्स वाई इसी वजह से सिटी को क्या कहते हैं हम? गेटवे ऑफ नॉर्थ ईस्ट इंडिया भी कहा जाता है. बिकॉज मैनी लैंग्वेजेस आर हेयर ऑफ दैट पीपल ऑफ द गुवाहाटी यूज़. दैट इज़ असमीज, इंग्लिश, Bengali are the major language spoken in Guwahati. Bihu is the most popular festival celebrated in this city. Fine. Guwahati is famous for the woolen shawl and handicrafts. Fine. ये जो वूलन जो शॉल और हैंडीक्राफ्ट्स होती है उसके लिए बहुत फेमस है. नाउ कम ऑन हैदराबाद. हैदराबाद it is known as the Charminar because Charminar is located in the Hyderabad. Hyderabad is the capital of the state Telangana. Fine. Now, Hyderabad is situated in the southern India. It is presently the capital of Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. ये भी जैसे हमारी चंडीगढ़ कैपिटल थी दो स्टेट्स में, हरियाणा और पंजाब, सेम एज जो हमारी हैदराबाद है वो भी दोनों की कैपिटल है. दैट इज़ तेलंगाना एंड द आंध्र प्रदेश. हालांकि पहले आंध्र प्रदेश की जो कैपिटल थी उसको अमरावती घोषणा सजेस्ट करने का जो प्रपोज़ल है वो रखा गया था. बट नाउ इट इज़ प्रपोज्ड. अभी ये नहीं हुई है. तो हमारी जो बोथ स्टेट की कैपिटल है दैट इज़ हैदराबाद एंड द स्टेट नेम ऑफ आंध्र प्रदेश एंड तेलंगाना. किस तरह की लैंग्वेज वो यूज़ करते हैं हैदराबाद पीपल? दैट इज़ इंग्लिश एंड तेलुगु. सम ऑफ द मेजर लैंडमार्क ऑफ हैदराबाद जैसे कि मक्का मस्जिद, चार मीनार, बिरला मंदिर एंड सलारगंज म्यूज़ियम. फाइन. एंड इट इज़ अ मेजर हब ऑफ द इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी इंडस्ट्री. सबसे ज़्यादा जो आईटी के सॉफ्टवेयर है, हार्डवेयर है, वो हमारे बेंगलुरु और हैदराबाद में ही कंस्ट्रक्ट किए जाते हैं. नाउ कम ऑन, नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज़ पिंक सिटी दैट इज़ नोन एज जयपुर. जयपुर इज़ द कैपिटल ऑफ राजस्थान विच इज़ सिचुएटेड इन नॉर्थ वेस्टर्न इंडिया. फाइन. ये कहाँ लोकेटेड है? नॉर्थ वेस्ट इंडिया में. Jaipur is known as Pink City, I told you earlier. And why Jaipur is famous for? The handicrafts like jewelry, tie and dye work. Right? Tie and dye means painting. Metal and ivory work and marbles. Because marbles is famous for the Jaipur. Now come on the Lucknow. Lucknow is also the capital of UP, you know. Fine. Uttar Pradesh. It is located on the river of गोमती. फाइन. जो लखनऊ है हमारा वो गोमती रिवर पर सिचुएटेड है. उर्दू, हिंदी एंड इंग्लिश आर द मेजर लैंग्वेज स्पोकन इन द सिटी. फाइन. हिंदी एंड इंग्लिश वी स्पीक एंड उर्दू इज यूज्ड बाय द मुस्लिम रिलीजन. The embroidery of Lucknow, also known as chicken. Chicken embroidery is famous for Lucknow because Lucknow has many popular tourist destinations like Rumi Darwaja, Imambada and the clock tower, and the residency is the famous place of Lucknow. Bada Imambara and Chota Imambada, and one is the most wonderful places like Lucknow Zoo is also famous. Next is Ahmedabad. Ahmedabad is located in Gujarat on the bank of the river Sabarmati. साबरमती जो रिवर है वहाँ पे गुजरात में अहमदाबाद लोकेटेड है. इट इज़ नोन एज मैनचेस्टर ऑफ इंडिया बिकॉज ऑफ ग्रोइंग टेक्सटाइल मिल्स. ठीक है. जो टेक्सटाइल इंडस्ट्री है यहाँ पर वो सबसे ज़्यादा रिची फैब्रिक में है कॉटन. दैट्स वाई अहमदाबाद इज़ नोन एज मैनचेस्टर ऑफ इंडिया. सम टूरिस्ट प्लेसेस आर देयर लाइक सिद्धि वाहिल मॉस्क्यू, काइट म्यूजियम, साबरमती आश्रम आर ऑल्सो प्लेसेस ऑफ द tourist interest. Garba, also a famous folk dance of this city, which people perform during Navratra. Okay, that Garba is the famous dance. And now come on the recipe of the Gujarat, that is Dhokla and Thepla are very famous recipe. Now come on the focus on the summary of this chapter, that is important cities of India. Beta, we have studied in this chapter Bengaluru, Chandigarh, Guwahati, Hyderabad, Jaipur, Lucknow, Ahmedabad. Bengaluru is the capital of Karnataka. Chandigarh, both state capital like Chandigarh, Haryana and Punjab. Guwahati, capital of Assam. Okay, it is also known as the gateway of the Northeast India. Hyderabad, capital of two states, Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. Jaipur, known as Pink City. And लखनऊ, कैपिटल ऑफ उत्तर प्रदेश, ये हमें बिलोंग करता है हमारे स्टेट को. अहमदाबाद इज़ द कैपिटल ऑफ गुजरात एंड इट इज़ नोन एज मैनचेस्टर ऑफ इंडिया. आई होप चिल्ड्रन you have clear all the doubts. Thank you. Watch my video, subscribe it, like it. Thank you. Have a nice day.